Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the AVGPC Blizzard Gaming Computer, a high-performance gaming rig designed to handle everything from AAA titles to heavy multitasking. Let's dive into the specs that make this system a real powerhouse. At the heart of the AVGPC Blizzard is the Intel i7-12700KF 8-core processor running at 3.5 GHz. With 8 cores and incredible processing power, this CPU ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or running demanding applications. It's perfect for anyone who needs top-tier performance for both gaming and productivity. Next, let's talk about the RTX 4068GB GPU. This graphics card offers excellent performance for gaming, delivering high frame rates and stunning visuals. Whether you're gaming at 1080p, 1440p, or even 4K, the RTX 4060 ensures a smooth, immersive experience with support for real-time ray tracing and high-quality textures. This is a great GPU for anyone looking to enjoy the latest games with fantastic graphics. The system comes with 32GB of DDR4 3600MHz RAM, which is perfect for high-performance gaming and multitasking. You'll be able to run multiple applications, have a smooth gaming experience, and even work on resource-heavy projects without any lag or slowdown. The 240mm liquid cooler ensures that your system stays cool even under heavy load. Whether you're gaming for hours or rendering videos, you'll have the peace of mind knowing your components are running at optimal temperatures for longevity and stable performance. If you're looking for a gaming PC that combines power, efficiency, and great value, the AVGPC Blizzard Gaming Computer is a solid choice. Click the link below to grab this beast today at the best price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.